Hi, my name is Lasantha. I was born and studied in Sri Lanka. I'm a qualified civil engineer in my country. I came to Australia in 2022 and now I live in Victoria. When I came to Australia, I was searching a job in my field, but I was struggling to match my CV with the requested requirements. It was not successful because I had no practical experience in Australia. Even I didn't know the terminology in the industry. I was not familiar with the Australia New Zealand standards or codes. I had no experience of any software package used in here other than AutoCAD and Microsoft packages. I stood on LearnPedia because of three reasons. The first one is they have clearly mentioned that what I can gain and how can I gain it throughout their website. And the second one is I felt I'll get almost all the answers for what I was struggling to find a relevant job. And the third one is as this is an online course, I felt it would be easy with my other works. I registered for the designing and drafting single-storey dwelling plus internship program. I started from the zero according to the Australia and New Zealand standards. By following this, I learned how to design and drafting of single-story dwelling step by step from the roof to the footing system. And it was more than what I expected. I worked with design and drafting of real-time projects throughout the course, so now I'm confident on what I was struggling. I'm impressed by the learning material because it is very clearly explained, interesting to follow, easy to navigate, and easy to understand. The learning methodology what LearnPedia has introduced is very effective to learn the subject widely, theoretically and practically. It is very effective to keep remember what we learned. With this course, I got a chance to practice with structural toolkit and SpaceGass by myself. It was more helpful to get familiar with those structural analysis and design softwares. Whenever I get problems when studying modules, I got a chance to get it solved through the live Q&A sessions in each week. The instructor answers all the individual questions completely in a descriptive manner with many practical examples. Also, that live sessions gave me a chance to learn from other participants' questions, experience, and their mistakes. I must say our instructor Molly is a full package of subject knowledge, not only theoretically but also practically. Her method of teaching and training is very systematic. She excellently explaining everything with her vast experience and summarize each and every module to make it easy to memorize and reuse. She is a friendly human being who respects everyone equally. I highly appreciate her effort to create workable and efficient structural engineers to this industry. I'm really glad that I met her through this course. Through other online courses which I have gone through with different institutes, I didn't get any live sessions or any human touch. All were just bunch of theoretical knowledge sharing. Those are not interested or attractive to go through. Also, I did not get proper understanding to apply those theories to the real-time projects, or I didn't get any chance to improve my practical knowledge. 100% certain. I perfectly built up my knowledge on Australian standards, codes, and handbooks used in Australian residential dwelling designs and drafting accordingly. I gained practical knowledge working on real time projects. I'm confident enough to use Australian standards and codes in problem solving. My concern was how I developed my practical knowledge by joining an online course. But after watching the introduction video, I decided to join. Now I know how important decision that I have taken by that time. I must say, stop wasting time. Start today, you won't regret it. Especially for the people who just stepped into the industry like myself.